Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball and the Sanitaire Tradition SC679K. First, we will start out with the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball. Alright, now it is time for the Sanitaire Tradition. Let's see the results. Alright, so the Dyson picked up this, and the Sanitaire picked up this. Notice the fine dust. Well, the Dyson did pick up a good amount of dirt. It missed all this. Which vacuum would you rather have? One that misses all this, one that misses this, or one that or one that picks up entirely a lot of the deep down dirt in your carpet. In my opinion, this vacuum won the comparison and is a lot cheaper too. Thanks for watching the Helpful channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell to never miss another new video.